Today we're doing You Laugh, You Lose, Wacky Tacky Day edition. Thanks for being here, Sean. Sean, you're going to lose really fast.
I'm trying.
All right, let's get this rolling. Sean, I'll let you ask first. Or actually, you know what? I was the guest on the show. I'll let you decide if you'd like to ask first or be asked first. 7 questions each. The person who laughs the most loses.
Go ahead.
All right, Sean. What do homeschoolers call their pajamas?
I don't know why I'm
School uniform.
Okay. All right, Chris. How did Darth Vader know what Luke got him for Christmas?
How?
He felt his presence.
Why are obtuse angles always so upset? Because they're never right.
Why did George Washington have trouble sleeping? Because he couldn't lie.
Good. That's good. What do you call dudes who love math? Algebras.
Do I know any jokes about sodium?
Nah. Why were Romans so good at algebra? Because x is always 10.
What did the Vikings, or no? I can't even write. Okay. What did the volcano say to his wife?
You're interrupting me?
I love you so much.
Who built Arthur's Round Table?
Who?
Circumference.
So stupid. Alright. Oh man. How was the Roman Empire cut in half?
A pair of Caesars. That's one of my jokes too. We both lost a point tonight. That's good. That's good because we both had the same joke. So yeah. All right. My last joke. Where was the Declaration of Independence signed? At the bottom. But it was good. It was good.
Okay. All right. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Doors.
Doors who?
Doors locked. That's why I'm knocking. Let me redo that one.
Nah. This wasn't funny, man.
I thought it was funny. What do you call Santa's little helpers?
Oh, so you get an extra. You get a bonus joke. Okay.
Subordinate clauses.
Were we supposed to stare at each other the whole time? I failed. I definitely failed there. All right. Well, thank you for joining us on You Laugh, You Lose. We both lost.
Yeah.
And you guys have a good wacky tacky day.
Good wacky tacky day. Some of those are funny, dude. I like that.